Let me share with you how to make a chia seed, avocado, and kale yogurt smoothie bowl. This is a wonderfully refreshing and nourishing drink that feels both light and wholesome, perfect for giving your body a healthy boost. We begin by preparing the smoothie base. Take your blender and add 50 grams of fresh kale leaves. This leafy green is full of wonderful nutrients and will give our drink a beautiful color. Next, add the soft, creamy flesh from one whole ripe avocado. This will make the drink wonderfully smooth. Then pour in 120 milliliters of fresh cold milk. The milk helps everything blend together perfectly to make the drink cool and refreshing. Add a generous handful of ice cubes to the blender. Secure the lid and blend everything on high speed until the mixture is completely smooth and has a lovely frosty, slushy texture. Now, take your serving glass. You will beat our drink from the bottom up. Start by adding a layer of chewy, oat popping peas. These little peas will give you a fun, bursting sensation with every sip. On top of oat peas, sprinkle about 1 teaspoon of chia seeds. These tiny seeds are packed with goodness and will add a pleasant, slight texture to the drink. Next, carefully pour a thick layer of your favorite plain yogurt over the chia seeds. Aim for about 100 grams, or just enough to create a distinct creamy white layer that contrasts beautifully with the other ingredients. Using a spoon, add 1 teaspoon of barley grass powder to the inside wall of the glass. Gently spread it upwards to create a pretty green swirl against the clear glass. This adds an extra nutrient boost. Finally, slowly pour the vibrant green kale and avocado smoothie over the top of everything else. Watch as it settles, creating beautiful layers of color and texture in the glass. Your layered superfood smoothie bowl is ready. It is not only a delight to look at, but also a truly satisfying and healthy treat for your body. Each sip is a perfect combination of creamy, crunchy, and frosty textures. Enjoy this feeling of wholesome goodness.